HartFord, a world-class manufacturer of machining centers, has the resources, the technology, and the experience to design and build the best possible machines. Over 45 years, HartFord has sold over 30,000 machines with over 24,000 satisfied customers. Based on this outstanding technical and sales background, HartFord R&D engineers are dedicated to designing a world-class boring machine, the HartFord PBM Precision Boring Machine. HartFord PBM series precision boring machines are highly precise machines, which distinguish them from competing machines. The PBM series has been proven to have the same performance level as Japanese machines in gearbox drive, torque output, and machining accuracy. The PBM series integrates many exclusive or patented features, such as 4-step gear drive spindle head, 6,527 Nm torque output, special guideways on W-axis, and 700 mm W-axis travel. After assembly, we conduct the machining test by using a standard test part with sizes of 800 mm by 800 mm. The W-axis is extended to 350 mm for boring operation. Once the machining test is finished, the test part is sent to the QC room for accuracy inspection by using a three-dimensional coordinate measuring machine. Now, take a look for its unmatched machining performance. The PBM machine is performing face milling and boring operation on a spindle stock of the vertical machining center. The HartFord PBM is also excellent for heavy face milling on structural parts, such as the machine columns. The PBM boring milling machine is performing precision boring on a spindle stock. Extra large 130 mm W-axis diameter in combination with 700 mm W-axis travel, the PBM allows greater machining capacity over the competing models. HartFord's uniquely designed 4-step gearbox allows the spindle to produce maximum torque output of up to 6,527 Nm. Another innovation is that the W-axis is supported by 2 linear ways to greatly increase stability. The zero backlash rotary table features 50% higher positioning and repeatability accuracy than competing models. The 40-tool magazine is a standard equipment for the HartFord PBM. When requested, a 60-tool magazine is available. The state-of-the-art CNC control integrates many exclusive functions, such as automatic workpiece calculation, tool magazine display, related position setting between X, Y, Z, W axis, and offset compensation. The PBM is available to mount with various milling heads to increase its flexibility in machining. With HartFord PBM, you will stay competitive and get maximum return on your investment.